Look, I'm super excited about what we've got with the 9500 triple quad ICP-MS. It truly is a game changer in my perspective. What it offers is all the performance and power of a triple quad ICP-MS with the ease of use and simplicity of a single quad ICP-MS that provides high improvement in productivity and low running costs. Increasingly, our customers, which are private labs, government labs, or contract test labs in the food, energy, materials, environmental, they want that increased performance, but they want it the ease of use. And that was the real demand that we saw from our customers. And given our long expertise in ICP-MS, we've really used that experience to put this new product onto the market. And that was the real gap that it fits. Yeah, that's always one of the troubles. There's been this fear that with triple quad ICP-MS, it's highly technical, highly complex, in which it has been traditionally. But with the 9500 triple quad ICP-MS, we have innovation in both the hardware and the software to make it easy. For example, in the hardware, we've got the introduction of the new dual cell system, the DCS, and what it essentially means, it can operate high performance interference free and operates the machine in one of two modes. One is advanced helium mode, and fundamentally that means you get all the performance of advanced helium mode, and it removes the need for multiple gas modes. So the complexity of switching between multiple gas modes on traditional ICP-MSs, you don't need to do that. It's just one advanced helium mode that provides high sensitivity, around 20 times for the low mass elements, and about a 33% reduction in acquisition time. Secondly, the machine operates in oxygen mode. Typically, for some of those more difficult interferences, you need additional plumbed in gases. So you need high purity oxygen. You've got all the complexity around plumbing that in, the cost, the EHS. It adds more complexity to the system. Now, it actually runs on ambient air from the lab. So you no longer need to have those plumbed in gases, again making the operation much more simpler. And then on the software, we have the brand new Agilent ICP-MS for Open Lab, highly intuitive, easy to use software, very element focused, very visual, almost to allow people to walk up and use the instrument without a huge amount of training. If you're an existing single quad user, you can transfer your methods automatically to the new 9500. If you're a brand new ICP-MS user, then you've got a method advisor tool that'll actually help you easily build a method to get the machine up and running. So the combination of the innovation in the hardware, the innovation in the software really makes this an easy instrument to use. Even I can use it, which is saying something. And that's why one of the big selling features and advantages of this product is this ease of use, which is unique in the world of triple quad ICP-MS. Increasingly so. When you think of where these machines are used, they're used a lot in high throughput labs. And when these machines aren't running samples and getting quick results, then they're costing our customers money. So we need that productivity to be able to quicken the time from running a sample and getting a result. We're hearing this from all of our customers in the environmental space, in the food space, energy space, chemical and material space. They really need a much quicker time to answer because that's their business model. Then they can charge their customers and they get the revenue from their customers. And so we really needed to make sure that we were quickening the time to get that speed of result. And then running costs. Increasingly, we're all looking at trying to reduce the cost footprint. In some labs, you've got multiple of these instruments and there's high exhaust costs, there's a cost of electricity. With the new Agilent 9500 triple quad ICP-MS, we've got a 50% reduction in the exhaust needs, and ran about a 13 to 18% reduction in electricity. So for me, it's kind of the holy grail. Our customers are getting a high performance instrument that's easy to use, that gives them a 20% plus productivity saving and reduces their costs. And for them, it's about great. This is an accelerated pathway for them to generate their revenue and really deliver on their business model. I think in most of those labs, it needs to become much easier to use. Traditionally, in many of our markets, maybe they were highly experienced, highly qualified PhDs that were running our instruments. Now you've got much more folks that maybe don't have that level of education, technicians running our instrument. They need that ease of use. They don't have time, or they don't have the capability necessary to get all that background in ICP-MS. So we need to make it easier to use. It's what we're hearing from our customers, and that's why the innovation that we've got in both the hardware and the software really delivers that productivity saving and delivers the ease of use, because the more instruments they've got in their labs, the more people they need them to get up and to running quickly. So for me, it's an endless journey. It's how do we continually make this product easy to use.